Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace words in Excel. Let's get started. Suppose you need to search for specific words or phrases and replace them in your data. Excel provides a helpful feature called Find and Replace. Let's say we want to change the department name from HR to Human Resources throughout our data table. To do this, access the Find and Replace feature in the Home tab. Click on Find and select, and choose Replace. A pop-up window will appear where you will need to specify two details. First, in the Find What field, enter HR. Then, in the Replace With field, enter Human Resources. This prompts Excel to search the table and replace all instances of HR with human resources. Click Replace All, and Excel will replace the chosen phrases in your data. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.